everyone! If you're looking for a way to supercharge your weight loss journey, then visualization meditation might just be the ticket. Visualization meditation is a powerful technique that involves creating a mental image of your success. And the best part? You can do it anywhere, anytime. To get started, find a quiet spot where you won't be disturbed. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Imagine yourself at your goal weight, feeling strong, healthy, and confident. Visualize yourself doing the things you've always wanted to do, whether it's hiking a mountain or rocking a cute swimsuit on the beach. As you visualize your success, focus on how it feels in your body. Feel the joy, the pride, the sense of accomplishment. Allow those feelings to fill you up and motivate you to keep going. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes, feeling energized and ready to take on the world. So there you have it. Visualization meditation is a simple yet powerful tool that can help you achieve your weight loss goals faster than you ever thought possible. Give it a try and let us know how it goes in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more weight loss tips and tricks.